Hello everyone, my name is Theodora Capado. I'm doing the PES assignment with Tendai Chirao. So I'm going to present on the Redline tool, which is a forensic analysis tool. To explain further, Redline is a FireEye security tool used to investigate the host machine for any signs of malicious activity through memory and file analysis. So to get this tool, you go to the FireEye website, which is here. You go to resources, and the resources you go to free tools and apps, then free software downloads. Under free software downloads, that's where you find Redline. You then click Redline and fill in these required details and then download. So as for me, I've already downloaded this Redline. So after downloading, you can install Redline. So to launch it, you can go to the start menu and type Redline. So mine is here, so I'll go to open file location. This is an easier tool to use because it also comes with the user guide. If you open the user guide, it gives you the instructions on how to install it and install, the system requirements, how to analyze the different collectors that are found, analysis session creation, and how to analyze data and many more. I'm going to close this, then I'll launch Redline. Yeah, okay, so you can see there are three collectors. The first one, create a standard collector. The second one is a comprehensive collector, and the third one is the IOC search collector. So the standard collector, it doesn't have many things, it's just the standard one. There's the comprehensive one. Then the IOC search collector is more comprehensive. So let's select the standard selector. And this one, if you go to the script, you can see under memory there's this one, under process listing, all these codes, drivers, enumeration, hook detection, etc. Then under disk there's nothing, system, network, there's nothing other, there's nothing. So I'm going to close this since I don't want to work with the standard collector. I want to use the comprehensive collector. Here we are under comprehensive collector. If we go to the script, edit script, you can see everything is ticked here. Under disk, almost everything, system, almost everything, network, a few things, and others, almost everything is ticked. So as for me, I'm going to uncheck all other things because this too, it takes some time to run, maybe an hour or so. So I'll choose a few things and then check a lot of things here. Okay, I'll verify digital signatures. Yeah, on network I'll leave file downloads, URL history, form history, cookies, and then I'll remove all these. System, maybe I'll just leave machine and OS information, user accounts, and the rest I'll also remove. Event logs, let me leave this one. and under this one I'm going to remove everything. This one is all, so that it won't take time to run. Under memory, I'm also going to remove a lot of things here. Book detection. Okay, so I'm going to say, but if you have a lot of time, you can select all these things so that you can do a deep analysis. So I'm going to select OK, and here I'll create a folder in which these collections are going to be stored. So I'll go to documents. Let me create an empty folder and name it collections 5. Yeah, or then choose collections 5. Here's my folder, then select folder. The folder is here and click OK. It's now configuring and creating a portable collector. Right, it's been created. It has been created, so you can see the instructions here. That's another thing which is good about Redline. You see instructions on each step. It says your collector package is created and saved to the location you specified. On number 2, on the Windows machine you want to audit, run the Redline audit bar script, preferably from removable media. As for me, I don't have the removable media, so I'll run it on this machine. The script will run the collector as you configured it and save the results as a folder named session analysis session 1. Every time you run the script, a new analysis session will be created, that is analysis session 2, session 3, session 4, and so on. So when the collection is finished, transfer the results back to your analysis machine, then double click analysis session file located inside the analysis session folder. Choose from one of the options below or close the window. Okay, yeah. So we're going to open the directory containing the portable package. Yeah. Okay, you can see the Redline audit button. Is the instruction. We are going to run this button. Okay, it's now running under command prompt. So you see, as it is running here, it's already written sessions, which means as soon as it is done running here, the sessions will be created. Analysis 1, analysis session 1, analysis session 2. So we're waiting for these two to run. Okay, then we are done with the command prompt, so we can go back to our collections. Here, open sessions. Yeah, analysis session. As you can see, this is analysis session 1. So we're going to open this analysis session 1 by running this section. Open analysis session. It's loading the analysis session. Let's wait while it is loading. going to take a few minutes. So we are done with the analysis. You can see from this part, the first one is saying I'm reviewing a triage collection. The second one, I'm investigating a host based on an external investigative read. The third one, I'm reviewing web history data. And the fourth one, I want to search my data with a set of indicators of compromise. So as for me, there are no any compromises, or there's no any malicious activity that I'm suspecting. So just review web history data. Because but if I had found such a computer, maybe a worst computer where there are issues, where there's a suspicion that maybe some malicious activity took place, we could use this Redline for forensic analysis. So I'm just going to use this one for no, I wanted to review web history data. Okay. I'll close this one. Yes. So I'll go back to this part. Now I'll go back to this part with this analysis session. Yeah, I'll click it again. Okay, it's loading the analysis report. So we are back here. I wanted to select, I'm reviewing web history data. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. So from this one, we can go to system information. Here we can see the name of the machine, host name, processor, available memory, and minimal. Let's go to registry. Okay, we can go to the users. It's taking time to load data. Users. It's about to load all the users in this computer. In our target computer. Okay, as you can see, a username is ID. We have this one, you have this one, administrator, default account, guest, DWM, local service, UMDF0, UMDF1. You can see in there user passwords, ID, and then you can go to browser URL history. You can see on this browser, I see it's Netflix, there's a lot of Netflix here. So in the case that there will be other malicious activities which took place, you can even see from the browsing history if there is anything that is malicious, cookie history, LinkedIn, Power BI, things here. Then you can go to file download history, any files that are suspicious, that will download it. But as you can see from this one, you can scroll to the side. There's any desk, team viewer, everything, Anaconda, cheat sheets, group assignments. So there's nothing malicious there, as you can see. So in the event that this computer is really target computer and something have happened, this Redline will detect by analyzing these files and analyzing the memory of the computer. So because of what I had to eliminate some of the things under the comprehensive collector. You could have selected a lot of things here. Maybe they could have been a list up to this part. But I've chosen a few things since this computer is not does not contain any malicious things. But this was just a demonstration on how you carry out forensic analysis using the Redline 2 from FireEye. So this is all I have, and thank you for listening. Have a nice day.